Guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I just did this fun, funky type makeup look. I just wanted to do something that was really fun, a little bit out of my comfort zone, and I don't know, I just feel like recently I haven't been doing super extravagant eyeshadow looks, so I just wanted to do that today for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay. So like I said in the intro, I think I'm gonna do like a funky, fun type eyeshadow look. I feel like it's been a while since I really did something that's really fun and funky and like just a little bit out of my comfort zone. I'm a little bit stuffy, that's why I sound like this, but I still wanted to get a video out for you guys. So I was like, let me just film a video even though I'm feeling a little stuffy. That's the only thing that's wrong with me, is my nose is a little bit stuffy. But yeah. So I just primed my eyes with some concealer. I'm just going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm going to take the first blue in the blue row. I'm going to take that and pat it right under the outer part of my eyebrow. I'm also going to blend it a little bit into my eyebrow so that like the outer half of my brow looks a little bit like this color. I'm going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. I'm going to take the last shade in the first row, which is like a burgundy type of shade, on that same brush, which is like this Morphe Chrome brush. On the other side, I'm going to take that and just blend it on that inner part of my eye. I'm just going to take the Morphe M506 brush and just re-put that burgundy shade. I'm also going to bring it a little bit down the bridge of my nose. And now on a Morphe M441 brush, we're going to take that burgundy shade and we're just going to blend it out on our outer corner and into the crease a little bit. I'm going to take that blue shade again on a Morphe 167 brush and just put that on my lid, on the inner part of my lid. That white from the Modern Dreamer palette and just pop that in the inner corner of our eye. So now I'm just gonna do a, I like the way that this is looking. I think it looks really cute. Actually, I'm gonna take that blue again and just like kind of go a little bit further out on the top of my crease. Just like that. Create like a little line, you see that? Okay, so now I'm just gonna create like a small wing liner. I don't think I'm gonna do like a wing. I think I'm just gonna do like a line on my lash line just to like conceal my lashes and all that good stuff. This is filmed on Saturday no, this is filmed on the Sunday that Love Island finale comes on. So I'm so excited to see who wins. I hope my girl Anaya wins. Anaya and Carl, or Trinity and Bryce. Okay, this is so cute and like funky and fun. I love it so much. So now I'm gonna take now I'm gonna do like foundation and all that good stuff. So for foundation, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335. You know what I also like? I also really like Kata. I like Zach as well, but I just feel like, I don't know, his bombshell like comments when they were in the hideaway, like Kata's sister said, was just like really obnoxious. So I don't know, but I really want Anaya to win because I just feel like she's been through a lot. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 18. I'm going to cream bronze with this ColourPop bronze stick in the shade Shell Beach while I let my under eyes sit for a second. I'm just blending out my under eye with this BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just setting everywhere I put concealer with some pressed powder. Okay, and now for the under eye, I'm just gonna take a Morphe E36 brush in that burgundy shade. We're just gonna pop that on the outer half of our eye. Now for highlighter, we're gonna take the Glam Light Wonka Golden Ticket highlighter, and we're gonna take the silvery shade. I'm gonna highlight our nose with that. Also the inner corner of our eyes. Okay, and now I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, but then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished funky and fun makeup look. I love it so much. I think it's so fun. I think it's so like different from what I normally do, kind of. But I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, if you like me or want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. And yeah, thank you guys. My edges are, I keep sweating on my edges, so please just ignore my edges. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.